Guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can open and find wine filter in the LG washer F2. So the wine filter is located on the right side of the front of your device, and in the first step you have to open the cover with the flat tool. So with the gentle move, just remove the cover. Okay, don't afraid to use a little force, it works heavy. And okay, what's next? Remember to prepare before the vessel or the mouth or something, because there is a risk of the water leakage. Now open the filter by turning this thing to the left side. After that you can freely remove the filter and clean it under the water. After that put it back like in the same way and turn it to the right side to close the cover of the filter. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.